military warfare fanatics, I have made a Perla Bead battleship just for you. And it's also 3D and no glue at all. So let's start by pointing out the pieces. This is the base, bottom. This is the very top with its helicopter pad at the back. This is between and underneath this. This is underneath the deck, which is the gray part. These are the sides. These are two, but they hold the lifeboats, which look like little ends. Now, this is the top in which the pipes are. These are the front and back of the pipes. And this is the front and back of the top. These two are antennas. And these are the guns. Like little things. Now I'll start assembling it. First, place the base on. Then we'll put one of the side pieces so that it'll be easier to locate things. Then we put the second bottom part into the two holes provided in the side. And don't forget that the pieces will be shown at the end. All of them, I mean. Just so you can follow up. Then we put the piece with the gray part at the front and back on. And finally put on the deck. To finish this off, we put on the second side part so that it holds everything together, like this. Now, let's put on the guns. And also the front part. I'll start by putting on the front, like this, so that it glues right on, right here. And then the guns go right in here. It's not really easy because the guns are small, the ship is large. I mean, I'll say the guns are very optional, so I'm not going to put them on for now. But the guns go into the two holes provided right here, as you can see. Here. Now, I'll be putting on the main part, the top. I put it on like this. We don't have to put that on first. First, I usually put on the lifeboats. Like this. And the same thing on the other side. Usually then, I put on the top. It's just easier this way. But you don't have to. Then, put on the back. Lift up the top and stick it on. Next, we're going to put on one of the antennas, the T part at the front, and the more of the weird one at the back. Except it doesn't really matter how you put it. I just usually prefer it that way. Now, I put on both of the pipes, one here and one over here. As you can see. Now, I take two of the cross pieces and put them on so that one is the front of the chimney and the second one is the back of it. And this part is very hard due to the antenna at the back. And now we're almost done. All that we have to do is we have to put on the lifeboats. They go into the holes right here. There are 4 on each side. In other words, 2 lifeboats on each side. 1, 2. And we flip it around. And 1, 2. This part is very hard. It's not working. Try sanding it down, but I'll also try flipping it over. Now, you are done the battleship. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. What else do you want me to make? Please answer in the comment section below. Bye-bye.